What's up? My name is Kamal Akeel, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the window seal on a 2007 FJ Cruiser. So the reason I'm replacing it is, as you can see here, the seal is basically has two parts to it. You know, it has this lower part that clips into the door, and it has this smaller rubber strip that goes across here on all of them. So like what that's supposed to do is when it rains, it's supposed to allow water to run off the side of the car instead of getting in between the area of the window and the car here, because obviously you can't have like glass on metal. So just to prevent water from getting down there into your door. So this side is pretty clean. When we come over to this side, you can see like the front one's fine. I mean, they're all, you know, just from being out in the sun, have a little bit of wear, but this one's obviously beyond acceptable. So ordered a new one just for this area, this one window. So if you're doing the passenger rear, this would be the part number for that. And so, well, when you get this new part, you can just flip it upside down, and you'll see on the bottom here, you can kind of just hold it up to where it would be, and you flip it over, and then you can see exactly where the clipping points are along the window seal. So to take the old one off, I have plastic tools to do this, which is what you should do too, just so that when you're prying up here, you don't accidentally neck the corner of the window with a metal tool and put a small crack in this. So you want to be careful. But if you don't have something like this, you can use a screwdriver like this, but I would just, you know, put it in a rag and wrap it up, just so you don't have the metal part of the screwdriver hitting the window. So the only problem if you're going to try it this way is that when you do wrap this up, it makes it super thick, and it's actually kind of hard to get under the window seal. So that's just like an alternate way to do it if you really don't want to go get one of these plastic tools yourself. So if we just hold this up here, you can just kind of see. And I mean, honestly, we could probably just start back here, and then as we move forward, we'll hear it pop up. So there's one, and then you can kind of hold the edge there to get this under where the second part will be. That clip actually just broke off this. So there, those old clips off. The only thing you'll do is just, and as you can see, that's why it's good to have this, because we're super close to the window when prying these up. So there you go. Got the old ones off, and as you can see, these little rubber gaskets that go around this part, some might get stuck on there, the ones that go on here. So it's a good idea just to take those off so that the new gaskets on the new seal will seal around this hole really well. And the last thing before going on is just cleaning up this area, which I'm just have this rag and brake clean. All right, so once you've cleaned the area here, we can go on with the new seal. So these pink pieces, actually, if it's not in the right spot where the holes are, you can slide these along this metal area so they are lined up. But what you should do is just, when you come above here, you can actually look where they are, and when you're leaning it forward, you can see all the tips of the pink parts are going into the holes. So it's the way it should be. So once you get that lined up, you can start anywhere really, but I'm gonna start in the middle. You can just push them down. And that's it. You got your new window seal on there. If this was helpful to anybody, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see what else we do to this car, which we have a lot of plans for it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.